Did you know your body possesses a dedicated system that only works while you sleep? Discover the hidden mechanism of autophagy, the cellular secret to healthy aging.
Many of us have overlooked this vital process. It is a biological maintenance system that cleanses your cells and supports your DNA repair every night. In 2016, Professor Yoshinori Osumi won the Nobel Prize for uncovering this mystery. He proved that cells can utilize their own waste to support natural renewal. This process, known as autophagy, is a master key to supporting your biological clock. It is a foundational concept for long-term wellness and vitality. Look at the residents of the world's blue zones. In places like Okinawa and Sardinia, elders maintain vibrant health and sharp minds well into their hundreds. Their longevity is a result of lifestyle habits that naturally trigger cellular maintenance and keep their biological systems running efficiently. As you drift into deep sleep tonight, your body begins its most important work. It is time to learn how to fuel this nightly cellular renewal process. Today, Prime Years Health reveals 5 specific superfoods that support these maintenance mechanisms. These are nutrients that allow your cells to maintain their vitality. Our journey begins deep in the Amazon, a place of immense biodiversity. Here grows a unique fruit known as the green gold of the ancient rainforest. This is Sacha Inchi. More than just a simple seed, it is a highly concentrated source of omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids. These healthy fats are the building blocks of your cell membranes. When these walls are strong, your cells can effectively communicate and manage waste products. Research suggests that Sacha Inchi contains significantly more alpha-linolenic acid than salmon. It is a powerhouse for supporting a healthy inflammatory response. Just a small amount of this golden oil before bed can prepare your body. It works to manage free radicals before you enter your deepest rest. Integrating Sacha Inchi into your evening meal provides the raw materials your brain seeks. It ensures that the nightly maintenance crew has everything required. By supporting your neurons, Sacha Inchi helps manage the cognitive changes often associated with aging. It keeps your mind sharp during your body's nightly processes. Incan warriors prized these seeds for their incredible strength and endurance. Today, we use them as a modern tool for total cellular structural support. Every seed is a reflection of nature's efficiency. They contain a precise ratio of fatty acids needed to manage the effects of daily stress and environmental factors. This high concentration of plant-based omega-3 is a game changer. It acts as a supporter for the biological machinery that drives the autophagy process. When you choose the right fuel, your sleep becomes a period of intense productivity. Your cells maintain themselves, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed. From the Amazon, we travel to the heights of the Himalayas. Here, a resilient berry thrives in the most extreme conditions on Earth. This is sea buckthorn, often called the holy fruit. It survives freezing temperatures and intense UV radiation by concentrating powerful natural compounds. It contains the elusive omega-7, a rare fatty acid that supports epithelial tissues. This nutrient is essential for maintaining the integrity of your internal linings. Flavonoids within these berries act as a protective shield for your DNA. They help manage the factors that can lead to rapid biological aging. Mongolian cultures have valued this fruit for centuries. It provides the deep cellular nourishment required to withstand the harshest environments of life. Even in old age, these populations maintain incredible vitality. Their secret lies in wild berries that stimulate their body's internal maintenance systems. Modern studies have confirmed these ancient observations. Sea buckthorn is now recognized as a potent supporter of natural cellular mobilization. By supporting cellular activity, these berries help your body maintain its tissues. It is a fundamental step in the process of healthy biological aging. Nature protects its most precious gifts with sharp thorns. Inside these humble berries is a chemical composition that is highly unique in the plant kingdom. When you consume these nutrients, you are ingesting the resilience of the mountains. You are giving your cells the support they need to manage the passage of time. Next, we look at something surprisingly small, yet incredibly potent. Do not let the size of a quail egg fool you. It is a nutritional powerhouse. Quail eggs contain significantly more lecithin and choline than standard eggs. Choline is essential fuel for your brain's memory and cognitive functions, but the secret lies in the preparation. To support the full potential of autophagy, you can follow a precise 2.5-minute formula for soft boiling.
Boiling for exactly 150 seconds ensures the yolk remains liquid. This preserves temperature-sensitive compounds critical for cellular health. This yolk is rich in bioavailable lipids. These fats support the natural release of growth hormones that encourage the maintenance of muscle and skin tissues.
These amino acids are primary factors in protein synthesis. They signal your body to focus on building and maintaining while you rest. By consuming these eggs in the evening, you provide a steady stream of nutrients. This keeps the autophagy process supported throughout the entire night cycle. The synergistic effect of choline and healthy fats supports natural hormone production. This is a key factor in keeping your metabolism healthy and efficient. Each egg is a unique biological capsule. Nature has packed every single one with a balanced ratio of minerals and vitamins to support human health. Incorporate this simple habit into your routine. It is a small change that yields significant results for your cellular longevity and daily energy levels. Think of these as your nightly biological support. They are a natural way to encourage your body's most advanced self-maintenance protocols every night. We now ascend the majestic Andes to find the secret of the Incan warriors. Maca, the high-altitude root, is a legend of hormonal balance. Maca is an adaptogen, a class of plants that help the body manage stress. It works by supporting the harmony of your endocrine and hormonal systems. Modern science shows that maca helps manage cortisol levels. Cortisol is the stress hormone that can interfere with deep, restorative cellular sleep. When cortisol is well managed, you can enter deep sleep phases more easily. This is the stage where significant DNA maintenance takes place. Using gelatinized maca powder in a warm evening drink is an ideal method. Gelatinization makes the active nutrients much easier to absorb. This simple ritual signals to your nervous system that it is time to relax. It prepares your brain for the nightly autophagy maintenance session. For thousands of years, the people of the Andes have used maca to thrive. It provides a steady, grounded form of energy for the body. Its unique compounds, called macamides, support the body's natural systems. This further enhances your ability to recover from physical and mental fatigue. By supporting balanced hormones, you are reducing the internal stress that impacts aging. You are allowing your body to function at its best potential. Maca is the bridge between ancient wisdom and modern wellness. It is the fuel for a resilient spirit and a healthy, supported biological body. Finally, we reveal the potential of fermentation. Over 60 days of slow heat, common white garlic transforms into the powerful black garlic. The pungent allicin in raw garlic is converted into S-allylcysteine. This new compound is a super antioxidant that is water-soluble and gentle on the system. S-allylcysteine is excellent support for your liver's natural detoxification pathways. It helps the body identify and manage senescent cells. These zombie cells can clutter your body and impact long-term wellness. Black garlic supports the systems needed to manage them while you sleep. The taste is sweet and complex. Just 1 or 2 cloves before bed can significantly enhance your body's nightly maintenance efficiency. Scientific trials show that black garlic has a much higher antioxidant capacity than regular garlic. It is a specialized tool for supporting your heart and arteries. The transformation process requires patience and precision. This mimics the way your body needs time and the right environment to truly maintain itself. When you eat black garlic, you are consuming the results of a 60-day biological enhancement. It is the perfect final step in our nightly routine. Your internal organs, especially your liver and kidneys, will value this support. They can efficiently complete their work, leaving you refreshed for the day. Autophagy is a natural biological process that you can support. You have the power to influence your own cellular health through mindful choices. By combining these 5 superfoods, you create a symphony of maintenance. Each one plays a unique role in supporting your body every single day. Imagine waking up every single morning feeling truly refreshed. This is the promise of consistent, nutrient-driven autophagy and deep nightly support. Make these foods a part of your daily life. Give your cells the resources they need to maintain wellness against time and environmental stress. Subscribe now to Prime Years Health for more exclusive wellness insights. Join us on this journey to support your biology and unlock your true potential.